Have you ever heard the term cable management? It's when you make sure that your cables are organized neatly, efficiently, and safely. That way, the wires themselves will last longer and they won't cause maintenance problems. These tools are used to work with cables. What you see on the screens is a version from a British company. This sci-fi looking gun will help you to work with ties up to 0.2 inches wide, thanks to automatic excess trimming, tension adjustment with a locking option, and optimized tip for working in hard-to-reach places. The fiberglass reinforced polymer body will please you with its durability and comfortable grip, even for a small hand. The price is $331. Let's visit Germany. This system, presented by a local company, can significantly reduce utility costs. In just a year of use, customers save enough water to cover 55 showers. The system offers improved control of cold and hot water supply. The manufacturer guarantees that customers save not only money, but also time. 21 days to be exact. That's how much people spend on average a year waiting for hot water to come out of the tap. And the system is also limescale and corrosion proof and comes with a limited 10-year warranty. The price is about $250. In 2019, the volume of the global welding products market was estimated at about $14.5 billion. The largest growth was seen in the Asia-Pacific region, where more and more different machines are produced. Of course, welding is also essential in shipbuilding, construction, and other industries, so this technology will definitely find its customers. This system is designed for exothermic welding. Parts are joined using molten metal, which is created by a chemical reaction. This particular design is American, and the process looks like this. The parts are fixed in a mold, and then you just pour the welding powder and ignite it with a special gun. It allows for the welding of copper and copper, or copper and steel, and the kits for such welding are often more compact and lighter than classic welding machines. People have been using rivets for a long time. Researchers have found them even in the tips of ancient Egyptian spears, and for the construction of the infamous Titanic, more than 3 million rivets were used, and about 75% of them were put in by hand. They're still popular today, but it has become much easier to work with them. For example, this tool is suitable for rivets with a diameter of 0.12 to 0.25 inches and can be used even in hard-to-reach places. The model weight is about 4.4 pounds. The 4-section mechanism allows you to apply less effort, which together with the 0.4-inch working stroke makes your work much easier. In especially difficult cases, you can use an extra set of rivet jaws, but you'll have to buy it separately. The price of the riveting tool is $213, and the jaws are about $15. Do you know how popular DEWALT is? This company even sponsored MotoGP and NASCAR drivers, and customers haven't complained about the lack of products. As of 2022, DEWALT has more than 1,100 different accessories, from clothing and shoes to kits like these. This neat case will come in handy for woodworking, with 10 very useful items. They include drills, bits, and a coupler that allows you to speed up your work significantly. The set is suitable for wood of any hardness, and will fit perfectly in a home mini workshop or in a professional toolkit. The product weighs about 16 ounces and costs about $50. Full of innovation, easy to use, and built to perform, says one reviewer about these mini steps. They will help to climb a tree, and they'll be interesting not only for builders, but also for hunters. After all, these steps will literally take hunting to new heights. The basic set offers 7 steps. If necessary, you can buy additional sets of 3. They can be carried in a plastic hip pouch, and there's a wrench for installation. The steps are made of aluminium and weigh about 5 pounds. It's a bit heavy, but they are easy to mount and to climb, the vendor says. They're asking $50 for the whole thing. Lighter, easier, and faster than previous versions, an American company says about their product. It helps to drill holes up to 2 inches in diameter in pipes up to 4 inches in diameter. It's the perfect solution for installing a variety of meters and detection devices. It is 31% lighter than other brands and has 4 bubble levels. Everything you need is included and packed into a handy carrying case. And the patented quick change hole guides make it easy to work with. The kit weighs 14 pounds. If you want it, you'll have to pay a lot of money. Even used kits can easily go for $400. Now let's talk about a not too pleasant but important procedure: unclogging pipes. Plumbers find all sorts of things in them, and these systems are popular for a quick and high-quality fight against clogs. They can be used for bathrooms, showers, toilets, kitchens, and other places with pipes from 0.75 to 2 inches. The tool features speed adjustment up to 560 RPM, ergonomic design, and a quick-release battery that makes it easy for one person to get the job done. It comes with 25 feet of reinforced cable, and it's suitable for heavy-duty S and L-shaped piping. A special locking system holds it in place, even if you encounter a tough blockage. The price is modest, starting at $90. This is another tool from Germany. It'll come in handy if you need to strip a round cable with a diameter of 0.2 to 0.7 inches. The depth of cut is adjustable from 0.03 to 0.1 inches, so the model is very versatile and suitable for a wide variety of cables. The tool is compact and weighs only 2 ounces, less than a bag of chips. Even the experts of the international contest IF Design Award distinguished this tool because the Germans worked not only on the design, but also on the functionality. In particular, the knife is easy to replace. After some simple manipulations, you can cut not only along the circumference, but also lengthwise. The cost of this little helper is $100. Here's a solution for road workers and landscapers: a road curb transport cart. Perhaps it was the one used by road workers in the US who managed to interrupt a 45-year seismological experiment. Scientists were watching the shifting of a curbstone due to the movement of tectonic plates, but then the workers came and replaced the slab with a wheelchair ramp. This cart requires no electricity or gasoline, is as easy to operate as possible, and folds up compactly for transport. The width can be adjusted from 20 to 39 inches, and the wheels are puncture resistant. The price is $189. This is a very specialized product, a joint roller to install artificial turf. It's used if the lawn is fixed with glue and provides a neat and strong pressure without damaging the surface. The roller comes in many versions, from a single roller model which weighs 62.8 pounds and is designed for manual operation to a motorized self-propelled model. The option on the screen boasts heavy-duty, removable gears and maneuverability, which means it won't create folds when you turn it. The product is created by a British company. Who else but the creators of modern soccer know all about lawns? Our next stop is Italy, famous among other things for the extraction of natural stone. It's here that Carrara marble, one of the most valuable in the world, is extracted. The Peace Monument in Washington and Michelangelo's Pieta are made of this type of marble. Italian experts offer this system to work with slabs of natural and artificial stone. It allows you to level the slabs at an angle, and thanks to the vacuum suction cups made of special rubber, it leaves no marks. The system comes in handy for adjusting on vertical and horizontal surfaces, and its weight is about 9 pounds. The load capacity is 242.5. Plus, the suction cups can be removed and used to carry the slabs. The price starts at $675. How to simplify the transportation of barrels. It's easy. In Italy, customers can buy this cart. In the standard version, it's used purely for transportation, but if you want, you can turn it into a powerful cleaning system, which comes in handy when you need to quickly remove a lot of water, dirt, and other things. One set includes the cart, the intake system, a 53-gallon barrel, a 16.4-foot hose, and a variety of nozzles. The manufacturer notes, "This is a good solution for cleaning after grinding the floor." In addition, the components are also available individually. The cart will definitely be useful in workshops and warehouses.